Welcome you all. Today I am going to take the topic from financial management. These are the some topics which is covered in this class. That is finance, what is finance and what are the types of finance and what do you mean by financial management and also the different types of decisions involved in financial management and the different objectives of financial management. As we all know, finance is the lifeblood of business. Every enterprises, whether it is big, medium, small, needs finance to carry out its day-to-day operations or to expand its activities. So, finance is defined as the management of money, which includes certain activities like investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving, and forecasting. Next, we move on to the different types of finance. The type of finance can be classified into two categories, that is private finance and public finance. Private finance means it is the financial activities which includes the receipts, requirements or disbursements of funds in case of organizations, that is which is owned by individuals or non-profit organizations. And another type is public finance. Public finance means it is same as above, that is the requirements, receipts and disbursements of funds in case of a government or public limited companies. These are the some examples of public finance, that is government institutions, state government, local, self-government and central government. And private finance includes the personal finance, business finance and finance of non-profit organization. Next one is, what do you mean by financial management? Financial management, it is the part of management activity. So it is the planning, organizing, directing, controlling the financial activities of a business. Financial activities like the procurement of funds, acquisition of funds, and the allocation of funds and effective and efficient utilization of funds. So it means applying the general management principles to the financial resources of the enterprises. In financial management, there are three important decisions involved. That is investment decision, financing decision, and dividend decision. So first one is the investment decision. Investment decision means it is a decision relating to the investment in different assets of a company. Assets means mainly the assets can be classified into two in a business concern, that is fixed assets and current assets. Fixed assets is also known as long-term assets. Current assets is also known as short-term assets. That is the assets which is used in permanent basis. It is known as a fixed asset. So the investment, the decision relating to the investment in these types of asset is known as a long-term investment decision, or we can say the capital budgeting decision. And another one is the short-term investment decision. That means the investment in decision relating to the investment in current assets or for the short-term purpose. That is known as a working capital management. Next one is a financing decision. Financing decision means it is a decision relating to the different source of funds. It involves a procurement and different source of funds. We all know that the business can get funds from different sources. That is mainly through the two main sources, that is known as the owner's funds and the borrowed funds. Owned funds means the equity. That means the funds are raised through the issue of equity shares, or we can by using the reserves and surplus or retained earnings. So it is known as the owned funds. Then again, the next classification is the debt, or we can say the borrowed funds. Borrowed funds means these funds are raised through the issue of debentures or other debt instruments. So this is known as the financing decision. When a financial manager is take a decision about a finance or the different source of finance, he has to consider the cost involved in each source of fund. Next one is the dividend decision. Dividend decision means it is the distribution of dividend to the shareholders. It is a decision relating to how much amount of money we have to retain in business or how much amount of money from the profit we have to distribute as dividend to the shareholders. So it is known as the dividend decision. In this case, the finance manager has to take or he has to consider the objective of financial management, that is the maximization of shareholders' wealth. Next one is the objectives of financial management. The objectives of financial management is again classified into two, that is profit maximization and wealth maximization. Profit maximization. Profit earning is the main aim of every business economic activity. It can be considered as a measuring scale. It can be considered as a measuring scale for assessing the economic efficiency of a business concern. Moreover, the main objective of financial management is to safeguard the economic interest of different persons who are directly or indirectly connected with the business organization, like creditors, government, employees, and general public. Next, we have to deal with the wealth maximization. The ultimate aim of business organization is to maximize the wealth of the shareholders. Maximization of wealth means it is the maximization of market price per share in long run. So it ensures the long-term growth and survival of the company. There are some difference between the profit maximization and wealth maximization. Profit maximization is a short-term concept. Wealth maximization is a long-term concept. It consider in wealth maximization, it consider the time value of money. Time value of money means the value of money which is received today is more than the value of money, same amount of money which is received in future. So this concept is not considered in profit maximization, but it is considered in wealth maximization. And the risk and uncertainty is not involved in profit maximization, but in wealth maximization, we have to consider the risk and uncertainty. Okay, these are some of the difference between the wealth maximization and profit maximization. I conclude that in this class we study about the what do you mean by finance and what are the different types of finance and what do you mean by the financial management and also the different types of decisions in financial management and also the objectives of financial management. Thank you.